Hello, my dears. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Teresa, and I'm here in Kamloops, British Columbia, on the unceded and occupied territory of the Secwepemc people. Today, the sun is shining outside my window. The sky is blue, and the clouds, there's a few white clouds high up in the sky. It's a beautiful day outside. So today we are going to sing 2 songs. Then we're going to read 1 story. We'll do a game, and then we'll read a poem and we'll say goodbye. So let's start with our Bluebird song. That song is by Carmen Elizabeth Clark, who is a nurse in Vancouver, British Columbia, and she wrote that song in 1947. So we're going to sing our Robin in the Rain song. I wonder if you are starting to learn the words. So if you like, you can always sing along. Robin in the rain, what a saucy fellow. Robin in the rain, mind your socks of yellow. Running in the garden on your nimble feet, digging for your dinner with your long strong beak. Robin in the rain, you don't mind the weather, showers always make you gay. But the worms are wishing you would stay at home, Robin on a rainy day. I saw a robin today on my walk. I was concerned because I hadn't seen any robins yet. And then there was one at the top of a tree. And I think he was there because it was very sunny at the top of that tree, and he was getting all the sun on his body. He likes rainy days, but he also likes the warm sun. I understand. So now we're going to read our story, and I'm going to try something a little bit different today. Let's see if this works. We're going to read a story called We're Going on a Nature Hunt. This book is by Steve Metzger, and the pictures are by Miki Sakamoto. In this picture, I see a bird's nest, and there's a bee's hive or a bee's nest. These children are going on a nature hunt. I wonder what they'll find. Let's find out. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. They're walking on the bridge across the river. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers. But leave them there. Don't pick them. Sometimes when I see flowers like this, I want to pick them and bring them home. But it's nice to leave them so they can grow in the dirt. These children look happy to be laying in the wildflowers. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. There they go, walking in the field. They have to lift their legs up high because the grass is so long. We're coming to a pond, a clear, sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Before they go in their boat, they have to put on their life jackets. That will keep them safe if they fall in the water. And they have paddles. They're going to use those paddles to go across the pond. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. It's a slippery, sloppery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim. But don't scare it. Just watch. These are the lily pads. And here we have a water lily. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. This person has binoculars. Those help him see far in the distance. I use my binoculars when I want to see a bird who's far away. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. They've got their spades and a shovel. Dig, 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 down in the ground. It's a worm. Look at that wiggly, waggly worm. Be gentle. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. It's a scritchety, scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. Leave them there. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Bzz. Let's go. Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. Whew, we're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt, and now we're home at last. The end. That was a nice story about seeing all of the things there are in nature. What did they see? Flowers in the meadow, and a frog in the pond with the lily pads. What else did they see? A beehive and a bird's nest. They dug that hole and they found a worm, a wiggly waggly worm. I have a game to play with you today. I'll bring this one over. I have some bugs. Do you know this one? Butterfly. And here is a bee. And here we have a ladybug. We'll play the game like this because I've got some pictures too. We have a ladybug, a butterfly, and a bee. Let's match. Here we have a butterfly. Can you see a picture of a butterfly? Where should I put it? Oh, there's a butterfly. It's a match. Here we have our bee. Bzzz. Do you see a picture of a bee? There it is. It's a match. And how about this? Ladybug. Do you see a picture of a ladybug? There it is. A tiny ladybug. It's a match. Now we're going to do one poem and then we'll say goodbye. We'll do our poem about rain by Robert Louis Stevenson. And that's because I saw that robin this morning and I know that he likes the rain. So, rain is falling all around. It falls on field and tree. It falls on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time.